right, so the Rajya Sabha is also now adjourned till noon. Ladies and gentlemen, you saw the ruckus that followed the addresses by the Leader of Opposition in the upper house, Mallikarjun Kharge, as well as the Leader of the House, JP Nadda. Remember, this face-off has been happening between the centre and the opposition parties as far as the discussion and debate on various issues is concerned. The opposition is demanding a thorough discussion on Operation Sindoor. Mallikarjun Kharge went on to say that only half the information has been given to the opposition and that they demand full information on Operation Sindoor. He also went on to say that the centre must answer on why US President Donald Trump has been claiming credit as far as the ceasefire understanding between India and Pakistan is concerned in the recent conflict between the two countries. Now, while the government has been asserting that they are ready for a discussion on these two topics, that a day and time will be decided, the opposition clearly refused to listen to what was being said. They were demanding a discussion today, right now, with the Vice President, of course, saying that a day and time will be designated for discussions on these two topics for the kind of debate that the opposition has been demanding from the government. But following ruckus and disruption in the upper house, this house has also been adjourned till 12 p.m. Remember, earlier the Lok Sabha had also been adjourned till 12. So we are expecting in a few minutes from now, in about 10 minutes, we can hopefully see the proceedings back going on smoothly. We'll, of course, keep getting you live proceedings from both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. My colleague Tejashree is joining us at the moment to get us more on this. Tejashree, both houses now adjourned after, ruckus and disruption by the opposition till noon. What more do you have as far as today's proceedings are concerned?
Well, the manner in which the Lok Sabha started seems like it is an indication that the entire day is going to be this only for Lok Sabha. But if we talk about Rajya Sabha, then yes, initially few movements were quite peaceful. The Rajya Sabha was quite smooth for first 30 minutes, but then later on, when Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, started speaking on Operation Sindoor, he did raise the issue of US President Donald Trump's involvement in the ceasefire, his mediation between India and Pakistan. There is when we saw that JP Nadda also intervened and mentioned that all the questions will be answered, but there has to be a way, is what the chair said. Remember that Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla also mentioned that this is a time when we need a cooperative discussion. In the social media post also, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla mentioned that we welcome cooperative discussion, constructive discussion, but the manner in which the Lok Sabha was running, that was quite surprising, because we saw that within minutes it began how the continuous sloganeering began in Lok Sabha. Let me tell you that it was first 1 hour that was for question hour. Question hour is for to raise the issue with regards to the welfare of people, to also hold government accountable on several issues. But the manner in which the opposition started sloganeering, it seems like the entire day is going to be that. But we also saw the message of Prime Minister, that how he mentioned about दल हित में मन भले ही ना मिले, लेकिन देश हित में मन जरूर मिलना चाहिए. There should, and he also mentioned about every party having its own narrative, own agenda, own point of view. But when it comes to nation, we all should be together. We all should have a discussion in a proper way. Every time he has been reiterating the same thing, but the manner in which both the houses are being conducted, it is a matter of concern that what happens to be the next, because there are a number of bills that are to be tabled, there are a number of discussions that are to be held, there are a number of questions that needs to be answered, and that is what the government has been saying, that if you do not give time to answer the question, if you do not allow the parliament, the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha to function smoothly, then how are we supposed to answer the question? JP Nadda also in fact mentioned that we are ready to have a discussion, a full-fledged discussion on Operation Sindoor, a full-fledged discussion on what happened during Pahalgam terror attack. But let the government respond. It was the question that was going on. Let the government respond. There is a proper manner in which both the houses should function.
Right,
and next we'll have to see that what happens with in few minutes when the both houses will commence. What happens next?
Absolutely, Tejshri. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest as far as the parliamentary proceedings are concerned. Viewers, remember there was ruckus in the parliament as opposition MPs remain firm in their demand for a statement from Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Operation Sindoor. In fact, they're also pressing for a detailed discussion on this issue. But despite the Speaker's appeal for order, the protests inside the House showed no signs of slowing down. Listen in to the voices from the opposition benches.
अंतरिक्ष में तिरंगा इससे पहले भी लहराया गया, शायद उनको याददाश्त नहीं है। इतिहास कभी पढ़े हो तो समझ में आएगी कि ये सारा इसरो का बुनियाद पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री ने बुनियाद बनाया। ये डायलॉग बाजी हमें मत सुनाइए। जो सवाल हम कर रहे हैं उसका जवाब, सिंपल सा जवाब, क्या वो 4 आतंकवादी जो मेरे बहनों का सुहाग छीन ले, उनका आप गिरफ्तार करें या नहीं? नंबर 1। नंबर 2, क्या ट्रंप झूठ कह असत्य कह रहा है? यूएसए का प्रधान राष्ट्रपति जी 24 बार कह चुका कि मैंने सब कुछ किया, तो इन लोगों ने क्या किया? तीसरी बात, इतना बड़ा डेलीगेशन डिलाइट भिजवा के सब बातचीत होने के बाद तुरंत वो पाकिस्तान के लोगों को ले जाके खाना डिनर सब कुछ करें। इसका क्या नतीजा है?
प्रधानमंत्री तो कहते हैं 100% स्ट्राइक रेट है ऑपरेशन सिंदूर।
अरे स्ट्राइक रेट आपने क्या किया? वो तो मेरे वीर जवान कर रहे हैं। आप कौन सा स्ट्राइक रेट? असल स्ट्राइक रेट पॉलिटिकल ये है कि आतंकवादी को गिरफ्तार करे या नहीं?
It's only fair that there's a detailed discussion about Pahalgam because 26 of our citizens were killed. The 4 alleged terrorists have still not been apprehended. So we need to understand what led to the intelligence and security failure. So we should start with Pahalgam and also have a much more detailed discussion on Sindoor. And it's only incumbent upon the government, particularly the Prime Minister, to make a categorical statement on the floor of the House.
My colleagues Niyamika and Tejshri are with me. Niyamika, you know, it's quite bizarre that the opposition continues to protest and demand a discussion when the centre itself is saying that we are ready for a debate on the topics that you want to discuss with us. Just let a date and time be decided. Yet the protests continued and both houses have been adjourned.
Yes, indeed. We have seen that in both the houses, both in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, how the ruckus was being created on the part of the opposition MPs. As in Rajya Sabha, if we talk about the statement which has been given by the leader of opposition, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, he had given a strong remark. He had put forward the demands of the entire opposition, saying that there should be a discussion regarding the Pahalgam terror attack, after which even the chairman of Rajya Sabha had also made it very clear that the government is also ready to hold a comprehensive discussion regarding this entire issue. Even JP Nadda was also being present there. He had also given this statement that the government will hold this kind of a discussion, but the sloganeering was continuing over on the part of the opposition MPs, and even if we talk about Mallikarjun Kharge's statement as well, he had mentioned that the demand of the Congress as well as the other opposition parties is to know about the current situation of Pahalgam terror attack and Operation Sindoor, that why the terrorists haven't been caught till now, and how this kind of a security lapse can take place, to which now the government has also mentioned it clearly that we are going to give all the answers to these questions which are being raised by the opposition parties. But the slogans which are being raised by these MPs are that the demand of which they are putting forward is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should be present within the House and he should give a statement. He should reply to all these questions which are being put forward by the India Bloc Party MPs, because they are saying that the accountability needs to be fixed regarding this Pahalgam terror attack, and it is basically the responsibility of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to brief the opposition MPs about this entire matter, about this entire situation. And in fact, not just this, but the Congress Party's Rajya Sabha MP Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge had also put forward a question regarding the repeated claims which are being made by the US President Donald Trump regarding the ceasefire announcement between India and Pakistan, as the Congress Party in the past also had taken up this entire matter, saying that why the Prime Minister is not replying to any such statements which are being made by Donald Trump, as it is basically a matter which is related to India and Pakistan, and we should not give any opportunity to a third party to interfere into this entire issue, and that is the
All
reason why
right,
they are once
Niyamalika and
again demanding.
Tejashree, I will keep coming back to you for the latest as far as the parliamentary proceedings are concerned. Remember, both houses have been adjourned till noon. In a few minutes from now, we will, of course, get you what exactly has been happening in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. But remember, firework has erupted in Rajya Sabha over the